In this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what type of results you can get as a beginner swing trader and how much money you can make from it. I'm going to be exposing everything from how much capital you should start with and the potential results you can make from that capital and the rules that you need to follow to make sure that you can get those results. Now, these numbers are not made up. They are from actual results that have been made from more than 500 students I have worked with, as well as the 5 years of experience I have had over swing trading. Now, before I give you the numbers, I need you to understand something. There's not a single one answer to how much money you can make with swing trading because it depends on three things. One, how much capital you invest. Two, how much risk you take on. And three, where you are in the learning curve. So I'm gonna be revealing 3 real case scenarios of real stock examples, conservative, realistic, and aggressive. And I will be showing you the real results that you can actually get from the students that I've taught that actually traded these stocks. Now, I want you to understand something. Every single example I'm about to give requires a different amount of risk and a different amount of time commitment you need to take. There's not one single right strategy. It all depends on your personal financial goals and what is the risk that you're willing to take. Now, the type of results you can make from these stocks aren't projections or guarantees, but merely models that I've built for the students that got results from this. Which scenario will work for you will depend on how much capital you invest, how much time you're willing to commit in your schedule, and your current level. So it doesn't really depend on how ambitious you are, but really practically speaking, how much you can invest, how much time you have, and how much risk you're willing to take. So this first scenario is for anyone who is busy and still learning, or simply someone who is just not comfortable to buy and sell stocks frequently. This is the scenario I call buy the dip and forget it. What we want to do is find very quality blue chip stocks, Apple, Microsoft, any type of big major company that has recently made a big correction. We're talking 30 to even 60% crash, and we want to make the most out of it. So here I have an example of a stock called Marvel Technology, and it is one of the biggest stocks in the AI space. And recently, in the last 6 months, this stock crashed 60%. Now, I was telling my student Sujin to buy the stock because she's a doctor. She's been investing for 30 years and she's busy, right? She just wants to invest her money and grow her wealth long term. So I told her, hey, this is the perfect stock to get into. It's dropped 60%. And what eventually happened is from $50, it went all the way up to $160, giving it more than a 200% return, meaning you can triple your money. And so here with Sujin, she invested around $3,000 in this stock and she made 99%, meaning she made almost the same amount, $3,000 profit by just holding it for 6 months. So she literally took a couple minutes to buy the stock and then she sold it just recently and took profit. And so that's what I want to emphasize. This first scenario can literally be for anyone. And I would personally recommend someone who is extremely busy. You have a business, you have a full-time job, and you just want to have your savings that's being stuck in your bank account, make it grow by 50% or even 100%. Compared to what you can get from just leaving your money in a savings account in the bank that gives you 1% a year. This tops anything and your money is working for you. So that's what I mean. Like, this scenario is perfect for those type of people. I'm just so happy to see that Sujin has been consistently for the last 10 years just making 40% in one stock, 50% in one stock, and she's literally just spending a couple minutes to just make the decision. What I do say though is you need a lot of patience and you need to have a good way to find these good quality stocks. And so if you want to know exactly how to find these type of quality stocks, I do have a free training in the link in the description below. So now we have scenario 2, which is my favorite. This is where active swing traders usually find themselves once they dial in the process. Once they learn the frameworks, they know what to do, they know how to read the charts. This is kind of where the type of stocks that they want to find. So with swing trading, you don't want to hold the stock too long. You want to hold it for maximum 1 month, and you want to kind of find a stock or a company that's not too big and not too small, somewhere between 1 to 10 million in market cap size. And we want to find when it goes up, it reaches a high level and it goes up, let's say 30 to 50% a month. And when it goes down, it also goes down 30 to 50%. So you literally buy when it's at the bottom and then you sell at the top. So here we have ENVX. This is an example of a lithium battery company. And this, guys, I'm still swing trading this to this day. When we see that the stock goes up, it goes up a lot. So we can see in previous examples, the stock goes up from $6.5 all the way up to $20, which gives us a 200% return, meaning that if you invest $5,000, your $5,000 can go up to $15,000, giving you a profit of $10,000. Now, this is a very rare case scenario. I would usually recommend finding stocks that can just give you a 20 to 30% monthly return. So meaning if you invest, and what I recommend starting off, you can invest around $5,000 per stock. And with a 20 to 30% return, that can give you around $1,000 to even $3,000 in profit every single month. And just note that if you invest more money, your profits will get higher every single month. Or you go for a stock like this where when it goes up a lot. When it drops just as much. But you can see from this chart that it is very consistent. So here we can see every couple of months, 3 months or so, the stock can go from $5 all the way up to 15 or even 20. And if you just reverse engineer, you can think, okay, if I want to make like 5,000 every single month, how much do I have to invest in this stock? And then you reverse engineer. It's very, very simple math, but essentially that's it. And I have some students that literally replace their salary by investing in this. You got to have a stable job at the end of the day. I don't want you to gamble on these stocks. There is a lot of technical analysis involved, which I have in the free training below of how to actually analyze these type of stocks. If you come across the stock, you know how to find these type of stocks that can give you these type of returns. Like literally you basically have a second part-time job that could potentially make more money than your current job. But make sure you have a stable income coming in that you can use to invest into this. And the beautiful thing about these type of stock swing trading is when you sell it and you make 5,000 profit, you can literally take that profit and reinvest it. And every single month, that 5,000, if you make, let's say, 100% return, 5,000, you then have 10,000. And the next month you have 15,000. And the next month you have 20,000. And each time that amount just gets bigger and bigger, and you're really letting compound interest do most of the heavy lifting for you. So this is really where I see the most common scenario with my students inside my program. They get these type of results easily every single month. And it really just requires discipline and practice, honestly. Now, the third scenario is not for everyone because it does take a much more aggressive approach. You do have to have a much larger risk appetite. It can be very, very risky if you don't master like reading the charts and knowing exactly when to enter. It involves you to be extremely active and you gotta like be in front of the screen 1 or 2 hours a day if you want to get in on these type of stocks, because the type of stocks we're looking at in the third scenario are very speculative, high volatile stocks that have a market cap of less than $1 billion. So these are really tiny companies that move a lot based off of like, let's say retail investors, they comment on Reddit and suddenly everyone decides to join and you're just playing on momentum. So let's look at an example here with Open Door. Open Door is kind of like a real estate company that also uses crypto. I'm oversimplifying this company, but basically what you need to know is like this stock at some point was trading at like 80 cents a share. So it's worth like basically nothing. And one news came out that they were like with crypto going up, they had a very short run. And so when we see it grow, we can see it grow like double in just a couple of days. The stock went from 0.8 cents all the way up to $4. So basically 4 times your money in just like 3 or 4 days. And so if you do jump on this at the right time, you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money if you become too greedy and you hold it too long, or you're not in front of the screen and you need to be aware of what is happening. And so I want to basically invest, like the type of capital you want to invest in the stock is maybe to start off with. It really depends on how much you're willing to risk. I would personally risk maybe, let's say, $1,000 to start, but as you feel really comfortable, you can even invest $5,000. And the type of money we can make is like, if you invest $5,000 and let's say every single time it does go up, what I see in this pattern here is every time it does have a rise to go up, when it goes back down, it's at the same price as the high. And so you kind of want to just make sure you watch it. And with certain technical indicators that you use, you can say, okay, like this is a good time to enter. Once it's dropped 40%, you buy in more, and then it shoots up another 70%. So for example, if you invest $10,000, you can make somewhere between $4,000 to even $10,000 every few days. Now, I'm giving like the best case scenario. If you've already practiced, you know exactly when to buy and sell, you've managed your emotions, you have the discipline, and you do proper risk management. Now, I do have a YouTube video on how to do proper risk management if you want to get into these type of stocks, and I'll link it also in this video here. Risk management is key with this type of stock. You need to be on top of your game. You need to manage your emotions. You can't just suddenly panic sell, because when the stock goes down, you need to have exactly a plan of putting where is your stop loss and where you plan to sell it at. But yeah, this is definitely for the adrenaline junkies, people that really want the adrenaline and see stocks go up like 50%, 80%, or double, triple, or quadruple within 1 or 2 weeks. And I definitely don't recommend this for everyone. But I do have a student that within joining the program, she was losing money. She had like $5,000 in negative. And after 3 months, she tripled her money and she went from negative $5,000 to positive $5,000 in her portfolio by following this strategy. Anda is just incredible. I'm about to do a testimonial, like an interview with her, a case study to show you exactly her strategies. But it's absolutely insane. If you do catch and find these type of stocks, you can really turn over and make insane types of money with this. But make sure you invest little in the beginning. And once you do start seeing results, you can invest more. And then you have a proper risk management to like basically buy these type of stocks. Now, one thing I want to say before I forget is if you're watching this right now and you're like, oh my God, I want to get to the results like in scenario 2 and 3, but I actually don't know where to start. That's why I created a free training. And I'm basically going to cover how you can find these stocks, how much you should actually invest in them, and that's how to actually build a watch list where you get real opportunities every single week. So I included it in the link in the description below. Make sure you watch it after this video because I guarantee you're gonna get so much value from it. Now, let's move on to the number one thing that nobody talks about with beginners, how much time this actually takes. One of the biggest myths about swing trading is the amount of time required to actually succeed. Now, if you're a super busy person watching this is exactly designed for you. I've built this approach for busy women that have a full-time job, that have a family, and have a real life. Because for me, I value my time and my lifestyle over making as much money as possible. Otherwise, I would be a day trader and I could make maybe millions of dollars a single day, but I'm going to be glued in front of the screen and I will not have a social life. And that is not what I want. Swing trading at my level usually takes around 2 hours commitment a week and 10 to 20 minutes every single day to just check up on your stocks. If you're spending more time glued on the screen, then something in your process is broken. And I say this with conviction because I've worked with extremely ambitious, busy women who were doctors, consultants, businesswomen, and they're literally spending 2 hours a week managing their portfolio, and they are doubling their investments, sometimes in just 3 to 6 months. So most beginners should expect to put in 2 hours a week to learn about swing trading, the markets, how to actually make the trades, and do the research and journal. Honestly, in my opinion, I think everyone needs to learn this because it is a lifetime skill that you will have for the rest of your life. Even when you get old and you're retired and you don't want to work, just dedicating 2 extra hours a week to make your money work for you and let the magic of compound interest grow and your money growing more and more year over year, this is absolutely a non-negotiable skill that you need to learn, and it doesn't even take that much time. So anyways, I have left the free training in the description below for you to watch. And until then, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel, and can't wait to show you the next video onwards.